So if your car has Apple or Android CarPlay that is wired and not wireless, I have the right thing for you to check out. So this is the Ottocast U2 X Pro wireless adapter for Android and Apple Auto. So we're gonna go check this out, see what comes in the box, and then we're gonna take it outside, hook it up in my son's car who has wired Apple CarPlay, and see how everything works. So let's go ahead and get into the box. And before we get started, I want to thank Ottocast for sending this out for me to check out. I definitely appreciate it. This works for both Android and Apple CarPlay. Now, pretty much how this works is you hook this up to your car's USB, either if it has USB-A or USB Type-C. It has the adapter and the cords for both. And then you connect your phone's Bluetooth to this device, and it will wirelessly transmit the Apple CarPlay or the Android CarPlay to your device without having to physically plug your phone out, which definitely be a game changer for people that don't have the luxury of having wireless CarPlay. So pretty nice idea with this product, but most importantly, we want to see if it works. So let's go ahead and check it out. So in the box, you have the actual unit itself, nice and shiny, the Ottocast. Nice, so go ahead and take that out. And this is pretty much it. Look like it has a USB plug on the side. You got your USB Type-C plug there, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up. So it also comes with your user manual and both of the USB cords that you're gonna need to set it up. So as soon as I plugged it up, I'm using, this car has the built-in USB-C cable. So since it has built-in USB-C, I'm using the USB-C side here. If it had a USB-A cable at this car, then I would be using this side. But since it has USB-C, I'm using this side. As soon as I hit that, I get a message on the car saying new Apple CarPlay device detected. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit connect. All right, so first you have to connect it to your phone's Bluetooth, and then it will connect to your phone, so it's loaded now. All right, and then just like that, you got wireless CarPlay using this adapter. So pretty cool device. Try to go through your different menus, so see what happens. So now you got everything you normally would have with CarPlay, but now it's just wireless. So pretty cool. So pretty simple product, works really good. Setup was really fast. Anybody can do this. It literally took me 5 seconds to plug it up, sync to the Bluetooth, and it was working just like that. So not too much to go over on this video other than definitely if you have wired CarPlay and would like to upgrade to wireless, definitely a great product to check out. So I'll have the link for this down in the description if you want to check it out. Again, I want to thank Ottocast for sending this out for me to check out. Definitely appreciate it. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.